Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Peteme wireless car charger and phone mount. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product and you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. I've reviewed other Peteme products on my channel, so be sure to check out those videos. This features automatic clamping and it has built-in wireless QI technology that will work with your major Apple, Samsung, and Google devices. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user guide and manual right here walking you through all the key components and features of this product. Depending on your device, it will charge at either 5 watts, 7.5 watts, or 10 watts wirelessly. You can see we have our USB Type A to micro USB charging cable. We have a dual USB port charger right here for your car. Then we have a locking washer. We have 2 different air vent clips depending on your car and the style that you want. Here's the second air vent clip right here. So we have a 1 and a 2 lock setting for this clip. Then we have our suction cup mount right here. That gives us a lot of flexibility in how we can attach this to our car's windshield or windows. So you can see we can adjust it right there. And then it has the nice suction on the bottom right there. And then you just push this clip to lock everything in place. And last but not least, we have the phone holder itself with our wireless charger built right in and our sensor for the auto clamping feature. We can look at it from the back side too. So you can see whatever attachment we want to install will just be inserted right there. Be sure to include the lock washer first so you can properly secure everything in place. So once you select your adapter, then go ahead, then you can tighten it down once you have the angle that you want. And we can look at this charger from the bottom side as well too to reveal our micro USB port right there to give this charger the power that it needs to replenish your device. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed in our car. So the first step is to plug in the dual USB charger into your vehicle. Once it has power, both USB ports will light up blue. We have a 1 amp port on the top and a 2.4 amp on the bottom. You can see we have our USB Type A end cable plugged into the 2.4 amp port. Plug the micro USB end into the actual charger and mount, and go ahead and install your device. Now that we have the device plugged in, you can see we currently have it set up for an air vent style mount. So we have one of the air vent clips installed to the back of the phone mount, and it's currently positioned on this air vent. We're ready to go ahead. We can add our device. So you can see we trigger the sensor, we drop it in, and it's going to automatically close back down on the device for us. And everything works great. We are receiving a charge right now, so you can see that it is charging our device wirelessly. When we're ready to release the device, go ahead, grab behind it. You can touch the back right there and it will remove the device for you, and then you can see it auto clamps again back into place and it's ready for another device. Now you can see we have the device configured with the suction cup mount and it's charging our device just fine. If you want to release it, don't forget, just tap on the back and it will open up the clamp for you, and then it will shut back down. And then just bring your phone right back in front of the sensor. You can place it back on. It's going to start to charge, as you can see right there, and it automatically clamps back down for you. So after spending time using this wireless charger, I gotta say, definitely works as advertised. It's very easy to install and set up, and I really like having that wireless charger built in. It's just so convenient to charge your phone on the go. I really like that they give you all the different mount options as well, so you can choose air vent or you can use the suction cup mount. In the future though, I'd like to see USB Type-C instead of micro USB, and maybe a faster sensor and mechanism to auto open and close. Nothing wrong with the current one, but I thought it was a little bit slow and I'd like to see it faster in the future. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.